How to create YouTube thumbnails using AI. First, open your web browser and visit an AI design tool such as Canva AI, Adobe Express AI, Microsoft Designer, or another AI thumbnail generator. Most of these tools offer free features to get started. Next, sign into your account and search YouTube thumbnail template. This gives you the correct thumbnail size automatically. Let the AI generate a few designs, then choose the one you like best. You can customize it further by changing the text, colors, fonts, images, or layout to match your video style. Once you're happy with the design, click Download and save it as a PNG or JPEG image. Then upload it as your custom thumbnail in YouTube Studio. That's it! You've successfully created a professional YouTube thumbnail using AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tools, YouTube growth tips, and easy tech guides.